How to change Snapchat password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Snapchat password. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in a profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on password. And here in this section, you will be asked to enter the password. So here, simply enter your new password and confirm it. And here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on save. And here, if you forgot your password, then you can simply tap on forget password on the login screen, and here you can choose to recover via the email or via the phone number. And with that, you just have to follow the prompts to reset your password and log in again. And that's it. That's how you can change your Snapchat password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.